Growing strawberries is a competitive, dynamic business. Millions are invested in keeping this most delicate of fruits looking and tasting great. Storage, transport, and now even robots. It's all driven by our love of this beautiful berry, and because in the UK we eat with our eyes, the consumer demands perfection.
It's 22 mil.
22 mil is
around there is the spec. I would say 25 grams in weight.
Colour, flavour, size and shape are all critical, and it's the job of the growers to make sure that happens every day of the growing season. Devon is going to show us what won't make the grade.
So if you have a look here, we do have some issue of green tip. It's influenced by fluctuation in hot and cold temperatures. This doesn't reach spec in the markets. There is some tolerance to it, but not much. We are looking to try and create the perfect berry that goes on the shelf. We can put one of these berries into a punnet, depending on what the market's allowing us to put in.
That looks absolutely delicious to me, but I imagine maybe it's too big for the market?
Yeah, so majority of strawberries go either into a 400 or a 600 gram punnet. We do go up to a kilo. But yes, you can imagine having a 400 gram punnet with maybe 4 berries in. It's not going to look that good.
So a British consumer then, Devon, how many sort of varieties might they pick up in the season from a British supermarket?
In the UK, I would say roughly around 20 to 25 different varieties.
Devon grows 4 or 5 different strawberry varieties to help deliver an uninterrupted supply through the season. The way they're propagated, the size of the plant, daylight, temperature, wind, pests, all have a bearing on when the berry is ready for picking. And that's the start of a highly managed journey.
So a lot of people talk of snap picking. So if you have a variety that's very firm and doesn't bruise easily and so forth, you can basically just pull on the berry and it will come off, but it won't have a stalk. And then what we're doing, if you have a softer variety, we'll basically pinch and twist, and then you'll have your stalk on the top, so it gives it a nice look of a berry, but it also, you won't be handling the berry and causing finger bruises, and then that will go straight into the punnet, so you're not physically touching the berry.
The next step is all about temperature control and TLC. Lee is Mansfield's CEO, and he's been in fruit, man and boy, and loves it. If you weren't growing fruit, what would you do?
Oh, I don't know. I've been doing this since I was 14, so I don't think I can imagine myself doing anything else, to be honest. You know, when you see the fruit start from nothing and then grow all the way through to being on the customer's table, you know, it's a fantastic feeling.
We're in Mansfield's pack house and chillers. The fruit might be over 25 degrees plus in the field, but Mansfields want them at 3 degrees ASAP.
From the field, the strawberries have come straight back here, chilled at 4 degrees. They're unloaded into this chill chamber. Then they'll go straight into the pack house. You see the packing process, back out ready for dispatch, all within chill process. So when it goes out of here, they'll all be around about 2-3 degrees. So keeping that chill chain is absolutely imperative for quality.
That's when PML Seafrigo becomes part of the chain, linking grower with retailer. Efficiency is key, and it comes at a price.
The pickers now are doing a light selection just to make sure the weight is correct, and then it's going to go through the GC2s, through our check values and metal detectors before getting a seal put onto it. So this cherry and soft fruit stone pack house that you see here, across the whole of the site with our grader, you're looking at around about £15 million worth of investment. And you know, they're short seasons as well, so it is all about efficiencies. It's about quality, because quality drives repeat sales, and that's what we're trying to do as a business. Pick it right, pick it once, and then pack it through the system.
So what happens to all that beautiful fruit that's just not beautiful enough? Well, it looks like they'll find a good home.
This is market fruit in these pallets. Nothing wrong with it, it's only driven by size, but the quality is fantastic. It's a shame, but at least it will go somewhere on the London wholesale markets, and someone will get to enjoy them over the weekend. We are a cosmetic society in the UK. You know, if you was in Europe now, all of these would be picked up alongside anything else as a class 1. But, you know, we have to do what, you know, the customers want. That's what we're here for.
We leave Mansfields with asking Lee what message does he want to send to the British consumer.
It's not just about what we grow, it's about the environment, it's about the sustainability, it's about children's health. You know, fruit is a valuable part of our everyday diet, and, you know, just support British.
You can't say fairer than that.